Hello, this video is to show how to install a new workstation. So I am connected to the workstation and I go to the File Explorer. I go to the C, usually it's the C, and then I create a new directory that we call E4Soft. And in E4Soft I will create program, and then I will create log and also logs. So that is the starting point. I open a new file explorer that I will put here in the bottom, and I go to the network, and at the network I have a E4Soft server, so it depends on how the server is called. I double click on it, and then I will work with the command, and in the command I have the E4Soft MAG, and here I will copy all the programs except the directory. So I will right click and say copy, right click, paste. But on the workstation there are a couple of programs that are not needed, so that we will delete. So for example here I will delete, okay, when it's done I will delete, no, it's not there, it's already deleted, so it's perfect, everything is there. And then I go back to my server side, and in the install I will find install framework and top fitness. I will copy these two, right click, copy, right click, paste, and then I will right click on install framework and say run as an administrator. I will say yes, he will install the framework. Once it's done, I will delete this one because you don't need it on the workstation. Top fitness is indicating what you have, what you need to connect to the database. That is the most important part. So now the first step I will do is running E4Staff, so that all the parameters, the needed global parameters are defined. So I double click on E4Staff, oh no, not E4Staff, E4Task. That's here, I double click on it. There is no interface for E4Task. So I see that it has run because it creates E4Task.rep. Then after, what I need to do is knowing in the command, I right click at E4Soft MAG, I say properties, and then I take this link and I go to the E4 back office. You give your password as an admin. I go to parameters, system default, and here I will put in what I have copy, and I say tab, because with the tab it will write the information at the right place. I say I can now leave, and then I go to the E4 Synchro to see if it is working. So I see the link, I say test, and it is working correctly, so no problem. So you have installed the basic. Now from here I will right click on program, I will say copy, and then I will say paste. Then I will rename it and I will call it training. I will double click on it. I will go to the top fitness and I will change the name of the database. So I will say training here. Save it. So that part is now done. I will close this one and then I will go to E4Soft and you have install, and I will right click on this one and bring it here. I will say copy here. Same with this one. Copy here. So now I double click on it and I go to the view to say large icon. I will do the same with the training. So now for us everything is installed. Our recommendation, if you replace a workstation, is to give the same name. So if we go to the system, okay, you see the device name here is ticket 3. So if you replace the workstation because it's broken and you put a new one, we recommend that you give the same name, as most of the parameters are linked to that name. So if you give a new computer and you link all the printers, hardware, everything to that new computer and you give it the same name, all the parameters will work. If you give a new name, then you will have to redo all the parameters that are linked to the computer. So this ends this video, and hope this video will help you install a new workstation.